Hey there, what's up? My name is Kim. I'm a developer advocate for Flow, here to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to purchase Flow for beginners. Let's get started. So, first step is to find an exchange that holds Flow. Luckily for us, if you head over to the flow.com homepage and navigate over to this Buy Flow green button, we're going to click that, and it's going to bring us down to the section of the website where it lists all the exchanges you can use. Now, if you see an exchange that you're already familiar with, go ahead and use that. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using Coinbase. So let's go ahead and dive into Coinbase. Cool, so now that we're on Coinbase, if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up for an account. And if you do have an account, make sure you log in. So once we're logged in, this is what you should be seeing. On the left-hand side, we're going to navigate over to Trade. So once we're on Trade, make sure you're on the Simple tab. And here's a list of all the currencies that are available for purchase. But to make it easy and quick, let's go ahead and search Flow. All right, so now we're on the Flow currency page. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see the price point, historical data, and on the right side is the fun part where you can purchase how much you want to buy. So let's go ahead and purchase an amount. You can do one-time purchase. You could also do different cadences, daily, weekly. I'll leave that up to you. Make sure you have Flow here, and let's preview buy. Cool. So this does not mean that we've purchased anything. This is just like a review where we can verify everything is right. So in our order preview, we're going to be receiving around this much Flow. We have our payment price, our price purchase, Coinbase fee, total. Go ahead and review that. And once you're all done and it's all set, we're going to click buy now. And voila, it's easy as that. So once your transaction completes, you should be able to see your Flow in your wallets. And to do so, we're going to navigate back to the left-hand side, go to the assets page where I'm already at. Over here, you can see your balance at the top, you have your assets at the bottom. And one big tip before we end the video, always send out your currencies once you purchase them on exchanges. They're not super secure or safe there. And let me show you how to do so. So on the top, we have buy, sell, or send, receive. We want to send and receive. So we're going to click that button. We can enter the amount that we want to send away. Make sure it's still Flow. For the mobile address, make sure you paste in your block2 address. Note, not necessary. And click continue. Send it off to your block2, your DApp, or your Lilico, whatever it may be. And you're all set. Cool. Hope this video was useful to you and have yourself a great day. Bye.